Cecily, you are adorable. You were created by God and you are loved by God. Now, so loving God, here are thanks for the gifts that our animal friends have given us and the variety of ways, amen, and for the variety of ways that they have enriched and blessed our life. May you and your human family continue to experience joy and each together, and may you always be a blessing to one another. Amen. Who's this? From the book of Job. But ask the animals, and they will teach you, the birds of the air, and they will tell you, and the fish of the sea will declare to you. In God's hand is the life of every